Monday morning live. So this is take 2. I have no idea. I must be jinxed to do my live videos on a Monday. Maybe someone's got some ideas on this. So today I will be talking about obstacles. O for obstacles. Now, we all have challenges, obstacles, problems in life. It's a part of living, and your challenges and obstacles may be different depending on what your focus is and what you currently do in your life. So imagine that we're in a hurdle race and there's a hurdle in front of you. There are different ways to tackle that hurdle. Some people see the hurdle and they stop. They feel that they're defeated and they just give up. Other people run away. Some people will find a creative way around it without actually tackling it, but they'll get around it, and other people will leap over the hurdle. So if you take that to your obstacles and problems in life, how do you manage your problems in life? Do you creatively find a way to go over it, or do you let them stop you and give up? So one of the keys with overcoming the obstacles is how we look at them, what we say to ourselves, and the stories that we put with the obstacle and how it presents to us in our life. So are you someone who gives up when you have a big challenge or an obstacle? Do you stop? Do you run away? Do you find a way around it and never really deal with it? Or do you find a winning solution and clear the hurdle? So that's the key point first. You'll either see obstacles as in the way or on the way. And even that difference in those two words is hugely important to the way that we see obstacles. Now, as humans, we have one of our greatest abilities is to be able to put different meanings on events and ask ourselves better questions. So something that you can do if you have obstacles to help yourself get around it is literally stop and take a bit of time to have a look at what this hurdle or this obstacle is and what it really means. So one of the questions that you can ask yourself is, how many ways can I find a solution to overcome this obstacle or problem? And then you literally brain dump as many different ways that you could find, whether or not you believe they're feasible or doable. But just by brainstorming and dumping down a lot of different ideas, you're helping yourself get over and through this obstacle. You're being able to see round it, under it, over it, and above it. And the more you can see over and round an obstacle or problem, the more solutions and possibilities and new ways of getting around it will come to you. So asking yourself a better question before you panic or stop and get deflated or defeated is a super important question. And you can then ask yourself, do I see this obstacle as in the way or on the way? So have a brain dump with all those questions, solutions. Sometimes you may need to ask other people, and it can be helpful to give yourself a time limit to solve this problem, yet it can be very helpful to take some time to look at all angles and all perspectives. The more informed we are of the possibilities and the solutions and the outcomes and what might happen if we take this option or what might happen if we take another path, will help you find new solutions and winning ways to overcome your obstacles and hurdles and problems in life. So remember, ask yourself, how many ways can I find solutions to get around this problem? And the other questions that you can ask yourself is, what will happen if I take this path? What won't happen if I take this path? What will happen if I take it, and what won't happen if I don't? So there's 4 questions that you can ask yourself as well that will help you sort out obstacles and find a winning way to clear your hurdles and obstacles in life and turn them into opportunities. And lastly, remember, how we do one thing is how we do everything. So if you're somebody that seems to get really deflated or defeated by obstacles, perhaps you just need a new strategy, some brainstorming questions and ideas to get over it. So I hope that these questions help you. And make sure when you next have an obstacle, you do take time to ask yourself, how many ways can I creatively find solutions to this challenge or problem, and take some time to write them down. And then your key is to take one idea that feels doable or possible, explore it further, or take action on it. So that's my tip today, obstacles. I'd love to hear from you down below whether you generally see obstacles as in the way or on the way, and what you do, what methods you use that help you overcome your obstacles, problems and challenges. So keep safe, have a great week, and I'll be back again on Friday. So please reach out if you have any questions, and I hope that this live video works this time. Have a great week. Bye for now.